This time around, I wanted to capture the essence of Capecoast. Decided to reserve an Airbnb right in the heart of it. Luckily for us, the place offered a small kitchen and I was able to cook breakfast. Vim Man and I, we've been separated for a while, so this was truly a treat for both of us. Nice dishware, coupled with this delicious bread that we picked up from Max Tosh in the last video. It's our first time trying it, and I had to give them a special shout out because I was surprised by the taste of this bread. Now, see, the thing about meat and bread, we get along very well, but I tried to consume it in moderation, but I could not hold back. And it's very clear that Max Tosh knew exactly what they were doing. Here's Vim Man's first taste.
Wow. This is a very special bread. I'm telling you. Yes. Really? I eat bread a lot. So when I taste a bread, this bread is special. I'm telling you. No sugar. It tastes very good.
And of course, I had to follow. It was fluffy, moist on the inside, crunchy on the outside from the pan searing. Absolutely delicious. I was shocked because I started thinking about my future with bread. It's later in the day, and we're gonna catch up with some friends at Eddie Ray's Fish Basket. So here we are, and to my surprise, most people in there recognize Vim Man.
Vim Man is here enjoying.
So we ordered our plate of delicious red snapper, and Vim Man will try it for the first time.
It'll be his first time trying this American style fried fish, the red snapper, and it is coated with cornmeal. Let's turn it down a little bit.
Chill over here. I've been talking to him for about a year and a half. Oh, yeah? But we never saw each other face. Never met until a couple of these today.
Tell the truth.
She has exceeded my expectations.
What do you think?
Very delicious.
What do you think about that crunch of the cornmeal?
Very delicious.
It's different.
It's my first time tasting this.
I know. Yes, we know. It's your first time.
It's the fish for one.
We got everybody. Trinidad, Jamaica, UK.
Later that night, we head over to Sahara, and we see this wonderful display of gifting of a new iPhone. You guys know I've been using an old iPhone, and here we have a new one. I am so grateful.
It's so bright. It's so bright. Oh my God, look at me. Oh my God, okay. Thank you.
It's the next day.
I'm following Vim Man to the gym today because you guys know I've been playing. I've been eating and enjoying. It's time to see what Capecoast has to offer when it comes to the gym. So let's go. We're staying in the heart of Capecoast right now, and we just left our Airbnb and we're walking down a hill. Some of these buildings are really old, and also the roads are not paved, as you can see. It's not a biggie. It's just that you definitely have to get ready for the roads, for the up and down. Vim Man has been walking around on his own, searching out the gyms. How has it been going up and down the hills?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
He likes it, but it's a workout, right?
Yeah.
I bet it is.
There are actually several gyms around, but we found this local gym that's attached to a hotel, and they were willing to allow us to work out. Vim Man is back in action, always a natural, and of course, me trying to fit in with the cool kids. It's been a while, but it feels really good to at least move the limp a little bit.
Doing good, I feel good. Yeah, local gyms work too.
We finish up with our workout and we head out for a stroll through Old Capecoast just to get a feel of what it's like during nighttime.
So we just finished up with the gym and we're here collecting our coconuts because the nightlife is popping. It's Friday night and it's very active. We decided to just drop ourselves off on the side of a road. We're at Capecoast Market. How's the coconut? It's very good. Here's my O. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Ready? Cheers. It's too delicious. Wow.
This is fresh coconut.
You needed another one?
Yeah.
He's getting another coconut.
I want another one.
We're just walking in the Capecoast market area and just showing you a little of the vibe at night. I mean, the night is still young. I think it's maybe around 6 something. And this is just a small portion of just people walking around selling things, you know. It's a lot. But I actually like it. I love the nightlife here. We're not in the area where they're playing music or anything like that. It's more of like a market.
It's the next day.
I wanted to share with you this cute little Airbnb in Capecoast, Ghana that we are staying at. It reminds me so much of what downtown Los Angeles used to be like. It's very simple, nothing extravagant, but it has a lot of character. We have some banana trees right behind us. Have a look. Yeah, I'm just now noticing that. So we're just gonna walk right this way. Just look right behind me and you'll see what I mean by the old vibe of this particular area. Okay, so there's several units. I haven't seen anyone except for the caretaker. Very old building, very simple rooms, but this is the part where they really got me. I appreciated this part because being out on the road, you don't always want to spend all of
your money. And that's why this place came in handy. Offering a small kitchen truly worked for me. And they had some really cute dishes as well. Also a tea set, a blender, as well as a kettle. All of this came in handy along with running water. I want to show you guys the room. Okay, so here's the room. It's a little small, but it worked for us. The only thing that was really surprising was the built-in toilet as well as the shower. But we found a way to work it out because it was completely open at the top, and you already know what that can be like with another person right beside you. So we found a way to kind of handle this. If someone needed to use the restroom, we were both very considerate of one another and would walk outside where there was a convenient table and chairs just sitting right there. So I kind of liked it. Very old school place, and we're out. We're done with this place and we're going to move forward to another place. This time, instead of using an Airbnb, I wanted to really get the local vibe, guys. You know how I am. So we're headed to a place called Coronation Guest House, and this is where we'll remain until it's actually time to go. It's inexpensive, they offer free breakfast, and it's still centrally located to Capecoast Dungeon, the beach, everything. And that's what I like about Capecoast. There's always like a way to get to the central part, still feel a part of the local vibe. So here we have arrived to Coronation Guest House and we are checking in.
Okay. This place is very unique.
Yeah, it's unique.
Mm-hmm. Where are we going?
You said you want man.
Yeah. No.
Right here.
It's me everything.
Okay. So this is a place where, okay, you can sit and eat here.
This is the right suite. Yeah.
Oh.
This is the right suite.
You are looking at us around.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Okay.
We finish up and hurry down several flights of stairs. I'm not complaining because we are on our way towards a walking tour. I like doing walking tours because, of course, it allows not only us, but you as well to see what it's like to walk around Cape Coast. So we're looking for a place called Medallion Pizza Restaurant, something like that. So we're going to hurry through all of this traffic, become acquainted, look around, feel it, hear it, and all that good stuff.
This way.
Were we here last night? I think we were here last night. Well, we were in the market.
Today is Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday is busy. It's busy.
So we're just waiting. People are getting off of yellow. Yeah. There's a little pedestrian traffic. Yeah. So we were in this area last night, Coastal Market, and we were just pushing through. It's very busy, very busy. It looks like traffic is moving in our direction, so we're going to be very strategic about how we even maneuver, guys. Like we were just walking and all of a sudden the cars just cross through. We want to park.
It's not a place I want to park. What are you doing?
A lot of congestion, smoking. But it's not like so congested where it makes you anxious. Well, at least not me yet, because I have a tendency of feeling like that. But it's cool, guys. Going. Okay, let's go. Oh my! Wow. Okay.
finally arrived to Medallion Pizza. And I'm not sure you can see that, but the road is a little rocky, but that doesn't faze me. This place has a lot of good reviews. Vim Man smiling, feeling good. I'm smiling, feeling good, and the music is cool. See? We're in a good mood, right? Feeling it? Yeah. Everything was going well until we were waiting. I even decided to call them, but no one picked up. Still waiting. Yep. 35 minutes later. And as you can see, we're not really feeling this. And I hurry back down the rocky road where it's off the beaten path. Guys, the food was smelling so good, I was shocked, but we had to keep going, find a new place to have our evening snacks.
Some really great pizza, but I guess not for us today. Anyways, let's find somewhere else to be, yeah?
And here we are back on the road. We're headed towards a place called Stadium Restaurant. It's actually nestled under the football stadium. Never been there, but we're gonna check it out, only because they seem to offer a little bit of everything for everyone. But most of all, I heard they pound fufu.
Oh, so yeah, something bent there.
That mic is crazy. People standing up.
Yeah. Hey. Let's go.
I don't know where I'm going. But we're here at the stadium. I've never been here before, but Tasha was telling me about this place that they actually pound fufu, if I'm not mistaken. So I had to make sure that we have something for everyone.
So we have a seat, have a look through the menu. Spoiler alert, their beet, pineapple, and ginger juice is delicious. So delicious that our server didn't hear Vim Man when he said he wanted one too, so I gave him a sip of mine, and he's shocked too. It's really good. But it was a little funny though, because while I'm enjoying my juice, he's looking around like, where's mine? She completely forgot, but eventually brought him his own.
It's really good.
It's good.
You're not ready. You're not ready.
I'm waiting for my. I asked for one. I said I need a beauty, and I said I know it. I didn't push for me.
After having a chuckle about his juice being late, our food finally arrives. I get the banku and okra stew, delicious. And we shared a tilapia with Vim Man's fufu and light soup. He wasn't really feeling it, so we just went back to the room. They did give him groundnut soup. But anyways, when we get back to the room, y'all, they was having church out on the street and it was a little loud, but I enjoyed it. And that was the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.